Good morning, Mischief Maker viewers. It is good old hump day and I gotta get over this Mischief Maker hump that I've been in. Today is the day I am going to be finishing everything on Mischief Maker so we can actually get in him and move him. Move him with all of his parts on him. No more naked Mischief Maker. He's gonna have everything back on him like normal so that we can move on to the next chapter of our lives. I'm gonna be talking to you in this episode about something pretty exciting. So let's just get hump day started. Lunch to the time. Yes. And I am heading for, yay, you ready? You can probably guess. Good old yogurt from Panera! I have a problem. I have like a real problem. So I am here, I am in line at Panera. Oh, we're next. Didn't actually see that coming. Hold on. Oh wait, can you say that again, please?
What can I get started for you?
Could I please have a yogurt and fruit?
Okay.
And could I also have a large skim milk cappuccino as well, please?
Okay, so you want a cappuccino with skim milk?
Yes, please.
Alrighty. Anything else for you?
No, just that yogurt and fruit and the coffee, please.
Did you have a Panera card with that?
I do not know.
Okay, that's alright. 8:38 at the window.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this is right beside a really heavy car-filled road. So if there's like a truck or anything going by, you can't hear anything. So I'm in the car, obviously just ordered. But look what keeps happening to my phone. That's right. My pop socket keeps falling off the back of my phone every time I twist it. So when I go to pull the phone off to turn the camera around, it falls off every time. Life problems today. Life problems. So, heading over to find some of these because my front toe point's missing one of them. and then missing a bunch of these. So I'm gonna turn you around and we're gonna go find them. Let's go find them. I have a feeling. Let's try over here first. Let's do this. Access. Of course, it's fine. Looks like it's 7/16. Not a bad thing to find when everything's organized. Time to get these on now. Get in there. Finally happening. Finally out of here. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh man, what a flippin' day. Let's just talk about this day for a second. Hey guys, so let me explain to you what has been going on today. I came in today very focused, ready to get stuff done. MischiefMaker decided to fight me on absolutely everything today, whether it was missing bolts, the screws wouldn't go in, some stuff wouldn't tighten. I kept dropping the nut into the winch tray. That happened about, at least 12 times. And it just kept on going. I tried to get my reverse lights to work. They don't work yet, but I still had to put MischiefMaker all together again. As you can see, he left about 10 minutes ago. The sun honestly is just like dropping super quickly. But here is what is happening. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be taking MischiefMaker somewhere else. I will get up early tomorrow and go take him to somewhere where you're obviously going to see what happens tomorrow. So I can't tell you about that. But what I can tell you about is how excited I am. Now, this actually brings joy to me. I'm excited because next week, I am actually going to be wheeling, finally. Now, Walter and I packed up our whole lives to live a life on the road, and we've been pretty stagnant, not only because of what's going on in the world right now, but because we wanted to do a couple of things to refresh and MischiefMaker up, and I have just been dragging, wow, that was a truck. I have just been dragging my feet a little with putting him back together. So now that he's almost almost there, we'll go somewhere tomorrow. I'll hopefully pick him up at the end of the week. I'll have the weekend to really get everything working in him, which is just basically a tail light and the reverse lights. And I'll put the power tank back in. I'll put all my tool bags back in there. Oh God, that sounds so good. And we'll get those last couple of screws in there that are missing that I'm gonna hunt for tomorrow. And we are going to head off for a whole 5 days of wheeling next week. So I am, you don't even know, because of the type of day I've had, I can actually feel tears in my eyeballs just with the thought of going wheeling next week. I'm so excited, so excited. And I'll be taking you guys with me, which is gonna be so cool. It's gonna be awesome. So that is what I am excited about, that I wanted to tell you about earlier today. But honestly, the struggle today has been a little crazy. You know, sometimes you have those days when you're working on your Jeep or your vehicle or whatever, your motorbike, your dirt bike, and it's just not vibing with you. Like, it's just like he was being a little naughty today. He was being mischievous today. That's what MischiefMaker was being. But we've buttoned him up as much as we can, and I guess I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So I will see you bright and early. But before then, if you are liking this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next episode is out. But I am gonna go peace out for today. Today has been a little rough. It's been like being on a struggle bus today. So I'm gonna peace out for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys mañana. Okay, so actually one more thing. I just got back to the house with the food. But before I go, you guys have probably seen me in my earlier videos wheeling with Gridloc. That's Nick Ashby from the Rockstar Garage. That's his Jeep. You saw us mount double bead locks onto his new wheels and tires just the other day. So he has a video coming out tomorrow. Go to the Rockstar Garage on YouTube, and he has a video coming out about Gridloc, the specs, how he was built, everything like that. So definitely go check that out. That should be coming out literally round about right now. So after this video, head on over there and check it out. Again, guys, thank you so much. Peace out for today, and I will see you tomorrow.